My first Snow Peak wave was in 2021. I just fall in love with the camping. To me, I never seen any campsite like this in the U.S.
When I walked into this campground the first day last Friday, I see all these people here with their stuff. I know I'm not alone in this passion and obsession.
Everything about this place, it's magical, it's beautiful. I love how natural it is. I love each individual teepees at the campsite because that's such a Snow Peak touch, and it really warms my heart when I walk around at night.
Our first Snow Peak wave was actually last year, so this is our second time.
Everyone understands really the value of form and function of a product, and I really like that. And every campsite we visited, they had their own style and learn from it, as Mike said. And just being able to meet with people who value the brand and the product.
You could be a minimalist, or you can go full Snow Peak scene.
I mean, I love seeing everything, but over the years it's become seeing all the people. Yeah. So it kind of started for the gear, and now it's more of the social side of things.